Innovation and Design Thinking Workshop, Innovative Ideas. My name is SUJAL MADHUKESHWAR. First year AIDS. Startup company name is Innovation Tech. Product present name is Hand Wash. Product proposed name is Foam Fest. Empathizing. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Crafted with natural ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and coconut oil, shea butters. Avoids harsh and toxic chemicals. It helps to hydrate and replenish the skin, preventing dryness and maintaining its natural moisture balance. Organic hand wash is not only a beneficial for your skin but also for the environment. Organic products are typically produced during sustained farming practice. Define. Based on empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirements of customers, many new features are added to existing product. Existing product name is hand wash. The futuristic product name is foam fest. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Eco-friendly, longer usability, natural organic ingredient, sulfate paraben free. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be a manufacturer due to the time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Thank you.